Alright, now we're going to be using the depth of field effect to make a new shot. So we're going to turn on our camera adjustment by F6. And so we want the focus of our camera to be this pot plant in the middle of the table. So we're going to select Move Camera Target to Object. I want to do this on the viewport that we have open. So as you can see now, the camera has been set to focus on this object, and we can now adjust our camera angle by using our top view here. And we're going to adjust our lens length back to 50. So now we have a view of our object. So using the asset editor settings from the last tutorial, we're going to set up interactive view. And now we're going to be using depth of field. So we go to camera, depth of field, and we turn it on. And we can set this to the camera target. So now the depth of field effect has been applied onto our target here. And we can increase and decrease the amount. So as you can see, by increasing it, it has now kept everything out of focus except for our main object here. We're going to use our region renderer to make these adjustments a bit faster. So we set our defocus until it blurs out the surroundings. And as you'll notice, it has increased the exposure a bit due to the depth of field. So what we want to do is go into our camera settings. And you can adjust the shutter speed, increase it or decrease it. So we'll increase it slightly. And increase our rectangle light to make the scene a bit more vibrant. So now we'll do a final render. And so here's the final result with the depth of field.